Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can extend the duration of the fairy event in Grow a Garden. So I think the usual duration is 5 minutes. I'm actually not sure, but you can upgrade it using fairy points. I call them that because it says fairy points. I do not know why it's sometimes called fairy coins. But I guess it's up to you how you want to say it. Here I'm just going to talk to the fairy godmother and then show me the upgrades. And here, as you can see, you can get these using your fairy points, coins. Okay, I'm just going to say points, okay? So right now I'm on 19 minutes, but I'm just going to upgrade it one more minute to 20 minutes. That's the maximum event duration that you can have. So I'm just going to do that. That is the max. I still can upgrade Glimmer Multiplier, Roaming Fairy Spawn Amount, and Fairy Spawn Amount. I'll do the fairy spawn amount here, and let's do another glimmer multiplier. And I'm just going to save the rest to reset the fountain power here, show the tasks. Out of wishes restart, you can also do it for 7,500 points. That's basically how you can extend the duration of the fairy event in Grow a Garden. Again, the maximum is 20 minutes. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.